again, the understanding of the patriarchal way in Eastern Europe, especially like more in East, like in Bulgaria, and this you can see in the different works, and the woman is a way of the more material way, you know, like material. So yeah, it's this still it's stable in Eastern Europe, like it's still really, it's like really old way. I don't know, it don't feel somehow the freedom sometimes, you know, like this kind of stereotype. Yeah, the man need to do that and that, the woman need to do that and that, and like every need to know his role, and after you're like kind of a outsider, you know. And I can say it's, of course, it's changing now at other times, but the base still staying, and even okay, this is in a gypsy way, but we still have markets for women. Come on.